What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another breakdown where I will be showing you guys how I was able to make a profit of $1,021. So we start off on the daily time frame, and on the daily time frame we will draw out our structure to identify if we are bullish or bearish. You see right here we're making higher highs, higher low. This will be the new higher high because this high broke and closed above this previous higher high. Now we have the higher low right here, followed by a new higher high, creating a possibly higher low to continue the trend to the upside. If I was to move it to the side, you can clearly see we are in a bullish market structure. Then we identify our impulse. You can see this impulse, all one color, breaking and closing above the highest point of the previous structure, followed by a retracement of minimum 2 daily candles, which is also all one color. Then we go to the weekly time frame, and on the weekly time frame we will look for our resistance or support that could be of influence. If I was to draw my resistance on this level, you can clearly see this level right here was a level of resistance that got rejected right here to the downside, came back once again, got rejected again, and now it has broken this level, and it can now use it as support to find momentum to continue to the upside. We go back to the daily time frame. So now I'm going to draw my fib in the opposite direction of the retracement, so we can measure the distance to where the new impulse is going to travel at least. Then we go to the 4 hour, and on the 4 hour we will wait as usual for the break of this 61 level. Then we can place our order on the 61, because we know as price breaks the 61 there will be a retest that tap us into the trade and ride it till TP. Right here you see price went lower. If price happens to go lower, you can just adjust your fib level to the lowest point. You always need to make sure it's from the lowest point to the highest, or from the highest to the lowest, depending on the structure of the trend. Right now we're waiting, just adjust your fib. You can clearly see this was the weekly level, and price has stepped into that weekly level and is now looking to create the new impulse on the daily. Right here you see our 61 level has been broken, so we can put our entry order on the 61 level, or stop loss on the 88, and our take profit on the negative 27. But as you can see, the level where my stop loss is not protected, because the end of the structure is all the way down here. So what you can do to get a 1 to 3 is adjust your entry level. Just put it a bit lower than the 61 level so you can get the 1 to 3 risk to reward. You can still put it right here, but then you have a 2.3 risk to reward, and the stop loss you can also put it right here to get a 1 to 3, but it won't be protected because price can still end up just coming all the way down here and then go up, not breaking this structure level right here. So that's why if you see the structure below the 88 or the 100 level, just adjust your stop loss and your entry level to get the 3 to 1 risk to reward. Right now we are waiting until we get tapped into the trade. We are officially in the trade, and as soon as price breaks this 38 level, we can now move our stop loss to break even, and it becomes a risk-free trade. So right now we're just waiting until TP gets hit, and as you can clearly see, TP has been hit. So this was my breakdown on GBP NZD 1 to 3 risk to reward. I am also making a Telegram channel where I'll be sharing my trades, so feel free to join if you want to get trades idea, weekly Zoom breakdowns, etc. And I will see y'all in the future. Peace.